Hello guys, today I will share you how AADME has helped me to grow in my career and in my life until now. So it's been around 1.5 months I have joined AADME, and I came to know about AADME from YouTube and from some reference and blogs, and I can say from 100% assurance that it was the best decision of my life. I grew not only in my career but as an entrepreneur and as a marketer. There were many secrets of a marketer that I was not aware about, to be very honest. And I firstly, before joining the course, I thought that it is only for the new people who don't know about digital marketing, and I am experienced in digital marketing of around 5 to 6 years. So it may be a right decision for me or not, but it definitely helped me. And there are several new things that I came to know about marketing, about web development, about landing page development, about sales funnels, marketing funnels. And to be honest, it was a very good decision. And it also told me, Alok sir has also helped me to grow in self-discipline and how we can improve ourselves as a marketer. So I will highly recommend AADME to anyone who wants to take their career to the next level. Awesome.